Regarding COVID in Greensboro right now, how worried are you and what concerns you the most?
I am worried every day about COVID. This started in March, and it seemed like we did a good job flattening the curve there for a little while. But now our numbers have just taken off in the wrong direction. What worries me is that people aren't getting the message that COVID isn't like the flu.
What else, as mayor, do you have the power to do? Can you issue stay at home orders? Can you close businesses? I know you can do curfews.
So we do have the ability to do a stay-at-home order or to close certain businesses. My choice was to focus on masking and capacities to make sure that the businesses who were open were following the recommendations.
How bad will the numbers have to get for you to make a decision regarding stay at home or business closings? Do you kind of have a number in mind?
I speak with our care providers every day. So, it would be in conjunction with them. And if they thought that healthcare across the county was going to be negatively impacted, have they found that there are people who are very sick with something else that are avoiding going to the hospital so that, they are getting sicker, or that people are dying because they're afraid to go to the hospital? It's kind of those things that will factor into that type of a decision.
Right before Thanksgiving, you issued an emergency declaration reinforcing the governor's orders on face coverings and indoor occupancy limits. Do you have any tangible evidence yet that it's working? Because, as you know, our numbers are going up.
Once we went out and gave a business a warning, we have seen pretty much immediate compliance. Our goal was compliance, not closure.
But have any business owners in the city been cited yet with fines or closures?
They have not, because once they were warned, and we've gone back, they have masked up, and they have not been over capacity.
In this highly politicized atmosphere, especially since you've ramped up enforcement, have you gotten any threats, and have there been any times when you feared for your own safety?
I have not gotten threats over COVID. I haven't feared for my safety, except if I'm out in a crowd and I see a lot of people without masks on. Now, I have gotten lots of hateful letters. I've gotten hateful texts, but that goes along with the job.
What's your message to those people in Greensboro who still aren't wearing masks, who still aren't social distancing, who are still gathering in large groups?
If you want to keep businesses open, if you want to keep our economy moving ahead, if you want to get our children back to school, you'll wear the masks, you'll socially distance, you'll wash your hands, and if you're not, then you're the reason why those things may not happen.